Full FDA approval of Pfizer-BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine is expected sometime this fall. Brianna Arredondo gives us a look at the process.
The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine was the first of 3 COVID-19 shots the FDA approved for emergency use last winter. And public health experts tell us that sign-off came after a lot of scrutiny.
They actually required a very large phase 3 trial, 30,000 or more participants, which both Pfizer and Moderna and J&J had to do. They required 2 extra months of safety data after the clinical trial was done.
That's virologist Dr. Michael Tang with USF Health speaking remotely. He tells us the full FDA approval process requires 6 months of safety data and more information as it comes in from doses going out. The FDA is currently reviewing Pfizer's summer application for full approval, looking at how the vaccines are made, stored, and reported side effects.
So they basically have to read over hundreds of thousands of pages of data and safety and efficacy.
The process usually takes 10 months, but the FDA is doing a priority review for Pfizer within 6 months. The White House COVID-19 response team tells us they realize some people may wait for it.
I think that for people, if that's the reason why you're not yet getting vaccinated because you perceive that there's some difference in the level of safety once it receives full approval, then that would make a difference for those folks.
Dr. Webb says it's very likely approval will come in September. And after over 100 million doses in arms so far, he says that's evidence enough the vaccine works.
I want to be unequivocally clear. There's nothing experimental about these vaccines. The authorization that they have and the evidence that we have tells us with real certainty that they're very safe and very effective.